A Facebook business page is a feature offered by Facebook for businesses and organizations to create an online presence on the platform. The page acts as a hub for all the content and activity related to a business and allows the owners to interact with their customers and followers. Facebook business pages have several features, including the ability to post updates, share images and videos, create events, run ads, and more. To set up a Facebook business page, you must have a personal Facebook account. Then you can select Create a Page from the drop-down menu on the Facebook homepage and choose the category that best represents your business. You will then be prompted to add information about your business, including its name, location, phone number, and website. Once the information is entered, you can customize the look and feel of your page, add products and services, and start posting updates to your followers.